Now that we've finished our external corners, we now move on to trimming. So J trims on the bottom, top and around the windows as well. Just like we did with our external corners, we need to grab a measurement for our J trims. We can then proceed on to marking it out to length. What we like to use for cutting our J trims is a pair of tin snips. Why we like to use the tin snips is because whilst cutting the J trims, we need to cut full 360 degree all the way around the J trim, and this achieves more versatility in doing so. Now our J trims are cut to length, they are ready to secure. And once again, we like to use our 25mm button head screws to fasten the J trims. Here you can see our wall is actually hard down to our slab. In a circumstance where your wall is elevated off the slab, you would then need to purchase some starter strips, which we do sell in the warehouse as well. For any information on how to install our starter strips, please refer to our DIY installation starter strip video. For the top, just repeat the same process again and just ensuring that we're hard up to our eave line. We are now going to show you how to install J trims to all window openings and door openings. To get our short point measurement, we need to measure from top to bottom on left and right side of the window. We will then need to mark our J trims and cut them to length. For our side J trim, we start off by marking a 45-degree angle. From that short point mark, we then square it around to the back edge of the J trim, making sure that we cut along the line on the back and bottom, and then cut the 45-degree on the front. Double check with your adjustable square the angle for the 45-degree. Cut your two side J trims. When you secure your two sides, please ensure that your corner of your short point is flush with the aluminium on the window. Once your two sides have been fastened, you'll then need to grab a long point measurement, so you'll hook on to both sides of the J trim and measure overall. The measurement you just got, you'll need to mark that length in your J trim and then cut it square with your tin snips. We will now need to create a tab on the top and bottom J trims. This tab will act as a join and provide water resistance. We will then need to mark 20mm on the back of your J trim for the tab, and then come in 5mm either side. As you can see here, your tab is now marked and ready to cut. Using your tin snips, you then make 2 incisions on the J trim and proceed to folding it over to create that corner. For the purpose of this video, imagine that the 2 J trims being a corner, and this is how they will join. As you can see here, the 20mm tab will fold down the side of your J trim. Now just make sure all your J trims are properly secured around your window for a clean finish result.